Brothers and sisters, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. If today is your first time seeing my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the red button, hit the notification so that anytime I post video, it's good, it's not good, you will be the one to see it and be the one to comment and tell me what you do is not good. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Stay tuned. Hello, brothers and sisters. I don't carry matter come today. What did I take come today? Now, Monica, Lolo, and Lovelyn. Well, Lovelyn, they talk about Lolo. I don't know what in Lolo do. At the time, I can't talk again today. So, stay and watch with me. So I don't come. I want send message to what did they call her? This love it. Say you with your piker. I don't know who your piker. I don't want to know. You with your piker get problem. Waiting concern Lolo with you are piker. You and Lolo don't be friends before. Una don't be friends. Una don't work out before once. So, waiting concern you, Opaika. That's they even answer that kind of name at all, Opaika. Waiting be Opaika. Your name good, Lovelyn, but your Opaika, me, I don't believe that one Opaika. Now, language or waiting. So, me, I don't care whether Opaika or Baibana, no problem. So, waiting be Lolo issue for your matter. Why you carry Lolo issue for head? Lolo na Akme, Lolo na Scorpion, Lolo na that. Any person where don't go misbehave, brother, if you misbehave, you on your own. If I tell you, say, carry this thing, take hit your head, use and hit your head break. Make sure not let you come out for Facebook, come talk, say, now this person, I say, I hit my head, he can't want me. Which one be on our own? Una just they disturb Lolo every time. Say Lolo go tell Monica do video. Lolo go tell Monica carry people video put for your destroy person life. Monica not get brain. You not go do his own by his own. Now person go send her. See another one again. I don't know this one. This one day Nigeria. He say Lolo. And get one people where call and say Lolo say me no. As a man not buying woman hair. Watch me.
You now get problem with. Because nobody don't tell me. Say Monica say make you not buy my product, say no good. Now so Lolo say make I not buy your product, it no good. Make I not buy your product, it no good. Say your product no good, Lolo. Do you know how many customers I have abroad? Do you know how many customers I have abroad? Do you know how many people that is using Tunde organic skincare? Nana, you are welcome. Nana, you may want Nana, you dey start life. Nana, you dey start life. But my own life does stand since. You don't think you say you did the abroad, you say you did for the 17 years. When you say you don't get who get a pot or stove for Nigeria here. My own life does stand already. I've tried for myself. You understand? Me and you not be the same level at all. When you say level, me and you not be the same level. Lolo, and me and you not be the same level. Me and you not fit. You know which uma was send it where you do re. Forgot all that package, you know the package. You know they see me. I don't they live fake life. Come Nigeria. Send anybody come. Everywhere soft.
So that woman where call you na full be, you know get brain. Original God go punish her. Original God where they inside house. You understand? When the person I be the original God where go come this one, not be the one where white people introduce give us so the real one, the real original God. He go come punish that one where call you. Because person not fit tell you say no buy something for this one. You no go buy. You understand? You no go buy. You will come back saying because say you see say quarter day now you go they call and say now you say me I not buy you something you be Now person go tell you what you go do or what you no go do. You not get brain. You no go use your brain they think. Why God give you this brain? You don't come out for Nigeria. When the people say that the first person they do something, Nigeria they go force you do something. If you not do, they feel can't kill you or they feel don't kill you. You understand me? You don't come out for that country. You don't come out for that country. Now you don't take Europe when the people say everything are free. Woman right there, everything they okay. Now so person when you they watch for social media again. See they tell you say not do this, not do that. They control you. You know they do them. She go even let you come out for Facebook or YouTube. They call the person say, now this one, now you tell me say, man, not buy your woman hair. Original go punish you. Thunder where they run was wrong, enter you. Allah. Kajiko. Kanajine. How person where they Europe that they control them? Make what you go do, what you no go do. What you go do and what you no go do. That they control you. You be mugu. You be mugu. Get out of here, man. Get out of here. I'm done with this. Get out.
Omo no bia in Nigeria, omo no don frustrate. When no my team momos like webo, we can think they go to the gear. We can think they go to the good way. Lovely. I can tell you a secret. Lovely. You might tell your husband has to go the fuck. If me I know the fuck, prick on top of prick. If I get one prick, it's okay for me. If I don't like the prick again, I can tell the prick bye-bye. I go relax. I know the fuck prick on top of prick. I'm a very responsible woman. I respect myself. Because I respect myself for myself. I don't respect myself to people. I have self-respect. You don't have self-respect. Useless woman when no get shame. Bastard. We're not being way. We're not my way. You don't bath. You don't bath. Don't be London when you go for them. Not be always benomwe. Always benomwe. London where you va. Now the migo yari like here. If you say na lie, I go right in now. I don't want to boo. I should come from. No, not the time when you tell slim like me. Pion. It went nowhere. Rubbish. Now, so, you know, sometimes you need to be funny. You have to speak the truth to the people so that people will know that what they are doing. Some people, they think that they are very fast. They don't know that some people out there, they have they have brain. Yes, you cannot run away from Monica. You go meet Okpeka. That means say, Lolo, you know good. You say, Monica na bad person. Okay, for Facebook,
see, let me
they say you with Monica bad.
Yeah? Let me tell you something. For this life where we get so, you see this head where we get, God carry and give us, may we think. May we think. You understand me? May we think. Not the person go think for you. Not the person go think for you at all. You know, if you tell me now, say, Monica, Lolo go tell Monica, say, carry people video, they post them, carry people this, they do. With that, not being brain, they think, you go carry the people video they put. You will just carry phone like this, call person. Monica, now Lolo tell me, say, man, not buy your woman hair. Lolo say, man, not buy your woman hair because of, you know, want me you buy. Now, person go tell you, not buy person something, what you want buy. Now, person go tell you. Now, person go tell you that thing. Now, person go tell you. You know, just they disturb Lolo for nothing. They call him. That woman not do you anything. You just they call him up and down. They call him. You understand? I like the way stainless they do. Stainless they talk say the two of them are the same. You understand? Say Lolo better pass Monica not better pass Lolo. People say when they hear they talk Lolo they intelligent. If you don't know say Lolo they intelligent, may you know say Lolo they intelligent. Over intelligent they worry Lolo. You they hear me? Over intelligent now they worry Lolo. If you don't know today. Only the English where Lolo they speak. English where they speak for a math. And not be too much English you tell a notebook, but the woman they intelligent. So more now they put on the they disturb am like that. They talk a matter. You understand? Because you when they talk am, now the same person now you be evil also. If you get opportunity to do bad thing, do more than that one, you go do. You go do. Continue.
Alright, don't Josh. Where are Sharon, waiting Sharon, and then I made a video of a German first lady. You can now teach you because if you don't slack, you know good again. I say go biology school. I say a biology. Now so they teacher for biology. All I go sit down, I go say, una want come dey teach me, lovely. Teach me. Small children, now want come. Una want teach. As they don't born me, I be want teach woman when go this thing, belle. I will put water for body. They wash my belle like this. Don't say when you don't grow that time, you still dey inside belle. I don't grow. Come pay down if I want bath, I wash my private part. You still dey inside belle. Now you want come show me how they take they wash private part. Let me teach you how they take they wash private part.
You dey hear they call Oika.
Me when people say they don't.
Oika cannot be that woman where the UK, where old, where don't old. That woman don't old past you. As a young girl like you, I don't know whether you young or you old. I don't know. You can't go follow old woman like that. You understand me? You still say you with my mate. So anything on go they do it together. Lolo not good. Lolo na tortoise. Lolo like this. Not be you there for social media, so they curse your papa. They curse all your family. Me, I go wonder what family go do person where they go take they treat their family like this because they then dey Europe. I wonder what the family go do them. Where as a way they go take hate their family. All these things where they do like that. I don't know what in their family they do them. When they treat their family like this, they curse them, they insult them, they do many things like that. I don't know.
When these useless men, they don't gawk finish. If they want to talk, they go say, it total they smell, now can't live on. A woman that born one, born two, born three, born four, born five. The time when you enter, when they come and they enter, they chook your hair, put. You know, see the other. You want they want countries and take prove say they want use and bring woman that they'll come carry and go give Lolo. Lolo go you start to sit down. If you see your husband show your toto they smell, your husband show your toto they smell. How can a woman like you go they talk stupid talk? Toto no they smell. If Toto they smell, why not they eat crayfish? Toto they smell. Toto they smell. Why not they eat fish? All those men. Toto they smell. Why not they eat fish? Fish don't smell past Toto. Make I help you scatter the Facebook. It go scatter. Now this live video I will follow na te do saga. I don't go follow na do saga again. Me mou mi amu ifielega. No see am. I amu wa. You shake. If I open I will make poo. You don't see the second one when you said they sit and say can't pay cement money, can't pay sand money. Now wait they beg just 10,000 naira for fuel. Lovely, don't carry the distance more.
Yeah, ask you question.
If I want shake
all this one. As you did now like this now, I don't believe you and Lolo can never date the same class. Because that Lolo why they see. He go don't get those things for us as he thought he get. Person don't come out like this. Beg or no sorry. Say everybody when you do bad thing, more not forgive him. You know if you forgive him. If person do bad, he beg you forgive. Why you no go feel forgive him? Why? Una go still they carry him matter they talk. He don't come and say beg or not. Say me you know I forgive him. If he do bad thing, more I forgive him. He beg or not. Una no want to leave this issue. Una they talk and they go. Now so Vera own come out. Una carry and talk. Now these people own. Monica go come and he go say, "Mona, no they watch so person, una go stop to the watch am. Monica go say, "More una no follow this one, una no go follow, una go stop to the follow am." Why una dey blame Lolo for all this thing? Now Monica, now in they come and they speak. I know they too much see Lolo for social media. They talk all those they cry. Now only people who now they see the only people Facebook and they see say Lolo do this, Lolo do that. Since I dey follow am for Facebook, I never see Lolo come and they insult people, they curse people for social media. I never see Lolo they curse people. Una go just carry issue, they talk. Person just dey in house, they relax. This girl marry Igbo man. This woman marry Igbo woman. You dey hear me? He marry Igbo woman. No matter anything, una dey talk. You no go near him body. Because that Igbo man when he marry, the sense where they in head, it too big. The sense too big. Even you say you borrow another sense, that sense no feel reach am. Believe or you forget am. It too get sense. It get sense past all of them. It get sense past all of them. Yes.
I see that for you. But I will feel player. You never. I be But I will feel again. Oh, see now, see my cutter. Oh, wait, you banana. Wait, can't will love you always saga. It may not wear me. Only work here. Who shall want say be? I don't want say dinner lemon. Wait till consign me. Where video? Okay. I say no samakata. I wear your banana. Evo wadore. I say no samakata. I wear your banana. Lolo. Working that bit. I say no samakata. I wear your banana. Bang. I check out whether I go play. I don't know whether I go play. You know they play now video. Oh, I want play. Oh, well.
I don't put day for Europe. I don't put day for Europe. Now, person take the get sense. Now lie. Not being person take the get sense. I don't do the Europe. Now lie. It can never work like that. Who go get sense? Go get sense. Who no go get? He no go get, and they can never get them.
Pity they smell. You when they talk and man. You two come for your nyash. Smell and for know whether I know they smell. All that your procos, pack and up. Do something rubber like this. Smell them. You go don't say prick, they smell also. Who can hear your or jam? Because you people, you come on Facebook, now carry all women, now call they disgrace women because now see stupid woman when follow now they run that case. Like me now, one bastard. One bastard go come and say, lovely, I got problem with my woman. And the woman, it don't talk the smell. Now I make her, no, now I make me with an uncle. I say, God punish your mouth, punish that your mama to. Yes, because when you insult ladies, it picks me up because you don't need to insult ladies. That is how I take enter this Facebook. Yes, but when I see say Monica, they always they attack lady. I say, Monica, stop. She quit. Later, that one go push Monica come. Monica re-quit. She got push Monica come. Monica started the stay for life video. Boo, Monica, you see, if you want to get friend when they send person bad message, you know good. You know why I talk, huh? This thing when it happened to you, so somebody wanted to use me like this. I was very intelligent more than that person. You know if he use me. Yes, you know if he use me. I was very intelligent more than that person. Now the person don't feel use me. Yes. But as the person want talk, he say now me they say now they go video. But that year now they say something come. If Lolo do something that time, if Lolo put where if they do make where they put it like this, where for they do all those things. Everyone for wegbe. Everyone for wegbe. I don't mention them more. If you like, come chook your head for inside my pit toilet. It is zone what you see. We're tired. I dey look for your past. I dey look for your past. You think if you see my past, I don't live anyhow life. Who pass help? You think I care? I care. If Monica, if a lot of the do nyama picture that I go come here and say, picture. She was trying to do me the way Lolo do Monica. I escape it. One day, now tell us, I beg. No say something for me again. Person is supposed to sort about say, can't play for life video. Now me, the use system, they talk.
Let me know you know.
I see a lot.
Lolo better pass you. I never know that Lolo. Me with I never talk once. I don't know her. She don't know me. But the way she did they speak, it show me say they intelligent. She's intelligent. If you like, believe. If you don't like, not believe. That is not my business. She did intelligent and she's doing her things. She dey do her things. You understand? All of now they talk say na akpe, na this. I'm not looking like akpe. If person do anything, if person tell you say talk this thing, you not talk him. You not go flog you, not go beat you. Because say dey your mind to talk, now it make you do the do am. Me now, person not fit tell me video say go dey talk him, I will go dey talk I be mumu. Now wetin I like to talk, now I go talk. If you send me something when I like for my mind, say I fit do this thing, I will begin talk am. You understand? People they send me video now. People they send me video. But not be all I go talk, not be all I go do. Yes, not be all I go do. Now the one when I go fit do, I go do. The one when I know say if I do am, it do okay for me. I don't fit just come out, they talk anyhow for Facebook, for YouTube. Why? I get what they do now. You understand me? So all these things when they accuse her and they talk, all these things. Number one, she not say she do okay, she not do anything, but she don't still come and say, please, Mona, forgive me. Anybody why I wrong? They say if you do bad thing, you beg. That person not forgive you. Now ain't God go punish because the woman don't come and beg on her. Say if he do anything, Mona forgive him. As when they talk all this matter, they talk and they go. I don't see anything. I don't see anything wrong with them. If you not like believe, if you not like more not believe, now that one not on our own. You understand? You go fight with you go. You don't born children. Number one, you don't born children. You don't date this country. You need to forget about all these things where they talk. Opaika. I don't know who be Opaika. You understand? I don't know who be Opaika. Follow Opaika. May you leave other people alone. Leave Lolo. Leave them. They not do you anything. You not call your heart, carry your pikin. Now friends they be. Know how you are. You with person go day like this or not quarrel. Quarrel must come day. One day quarrel must day. If you are day, nobody, no friendship where quarrel not day. You understand? As Europe and America day like this and Australia, sometimes like this thing they agree. Now they agree for anything. Because then if this one no say this thing no go favor them. You know if people mind there. All this video where what did they call them? Where you want they talk saying a lot of they give Monica make they do. Who they use and collect money? Not be Monica. Now a lot of they collect the money from Monica hand. How many times you don't see Lolo husband come out for Facebook? They do Rasta man. You don't see a one. You know they do them. Again, they do her thing. They do his thing. They walk home. They find how he won't carry container go house. You know they say they do fine boy. They do Rasta. They use a known Rasta. You they do nonsense thing. Old man we don't want fortune there. They told me Rasta man, Rasta boy. Fools. Monica this man, Lolo this, Lolo that. Come on, I go bush. You understand me? Now what I say my tell no. Me I not care what you want come. I not tell what you want do. Now what I want tell no. Now be this. Everybody more not learn how na go take common hand for person body. You understand? Person will not do you evil, not call him evil because he not do you evil. So now my story be that I don't talk finish. I they go with the peace. You understand? If you want come say you want come follow me for pieces, now me go first pieces you. Now so I believe him. So guys, if you like what I talk, what I do, leave me a comment in below so that you will know. I will know what you think. You understand me? So thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So if you like, subscribe. If you like my channel, like what I did, subscribe. I appreciate you. Those of you who don't subscribe before, I still they thank you. I'm not too much. Thank you. I know that sometimes we not they agree for everything, but if I not do well, let me know. You understand? So I still they tell on that one. So you know me. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. So bye. Bye.